All right, mistake number two is floor humping or having like an arched back. So what that looks like, if you video yourself, and really videoing yourself is a very valuable tool. If you video yourself, you can see some of the mistakes that you might be making. So if you're setting up for your push-up and your setup starts to look pretty good and you start drooping with your hips and you're doing this as a push-up, that's not what we want it to look like. If you just bring your hips right back up, you might still find that my belly is drooping, my low back is arched. You can kind of see that there, where all I need to do is flex my abdomen to make my low back straight. We're trying to make our body flat like a board. So you either need to engage your core or find a way to strengthen your core. How we can do that is imagine by tucking your tailbone, or I'll show you my favorite variation for this. It's a banded dead bug. So if you're struggling with that arch in your low back, you could hook up a band really anywhere, lay on your back, knees up at 90 degrees, and pull that band over your chest. When you do that, you should feel your abdomen kick in and your low back crushing the floor. What that does is it pulls your ribs down and makes that back flat. So you could practice holding this for 30 seconds, kind of like you would in a plank. So that's one variation you can use to kind of fix that arch in your low back. The number two is a plank, obviously. You don't have to move for that. So you could just stay put and try and focus on pulling the ribs down, having the abs tight. If you even imagine dragging your elbows down the ground or pulling them towards your toes, it's going to give you that tight abdomen, which should pull your back flat. So that's mistake number two. Move on to number three.